All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're looking at Scratch, and we're going to use this to find a square root of a number. Square root of a number. So let's go ahead and kind of put this together. We're going to use two events. We're going to use one to find the square root, and we're going to use the other one to ask a question. And then I'm going to use forever here. And I don't really need a forever here. We'll leave it though. We'll just go ahead and leave that. And then we're going to ask a question. So we're going to drag this over here. And we're just going to ask, give me a number. And then over here, we're going to use the say blocks. We've just been using these. And then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the operators, and there's a lot of different options in here of the operators, and we've covered most of these. But right down here, this one has absolute value, but we can actually change this. So we can plug this in, and instead of absolute value, we're going to use square root. And there's a lot of other options in here, finding the floor, the ceiling, cosine, sine, tangent. A lot of different things you could do in here. But we're going to use square root. And then we should go over here to the answer, plug this in. And so now, if we hit the space bar, say, oh, give us a number. So let's find the square root of 4. And it will tell you the square root of 4. And our answer was 4, and now it's going to tell us the square root is 2. Now let's make it a little bit harder. Let's do 81. So there's our answer, and there's our square root. 9 is the square root of that. Let's try like 111. 10.54. All right, so there's our answer, and then it went ahead and gave us the square root. Pretty simple, straightforward, just using a say block. And you could use this a number of different ways. Pretty much whenever you see the operators, wherever you can plug in this, you can then use that. All right. So hopefully that helps you with your coding. You learned something new today, and good luck.